Open QuickTracker and enter the password you created when you first set up the program. Once the program opens, you'll be able to view, add, and update your records using the Manage menu or the convenient shortcuts located in the Workflow section of the main window. If you're using multiple monitors, some QuickTracker windows may open on a different screen, especially if your primary monitor is not the one you're currently using. If you don't see a window appear, check your other monitors before continuing. The Workflow shortcuts are designed to give you quick access to the most commonly used features, helping you navigate the program more efficiently and save time during your daily bookkeeping tasks. To view the expenses you've entered, you have several options. You can access them through the Manage menu or the Reports menu. In this example, we'll use Manage Expenses. By default, you can view expenses for the current month, or you can choose from several other date filters available in the drop-down list. Since we don't have any transactions for the current month in this example, we'll select Custom Range and choose the desired start and end dates using the calendar controls. Once the expense list has been populated, you can review your transactions, update existing expenses, or add new ones as needed. Before saving any changes, be sure to verify that the information you've entered is accurate. Taking a few moments to review your data will help ensure your financial records and reports remain correct. The Update Expenses window, also known as the Manage Records window, allows you to perform many tasks, but its primary purpose is to review and modify existing records. Whenever you modify a record, a status indicator appears on the left side of the grid to let you know that the record has been marked for update. In addition, the Apply Changes button displays a number of records that are currently waiting to be saved. If you decide that you don't want to keep any of your pending changes, simply click Discard Changes to revert all unsaved modifications. If you'd rather discard changes for only a specific record, right-click that record and select Discard Changes from the context menu. This allows you to undo individual changes without affecting the rest of your pending updates. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Apply Changes to save all pending modifications to the database. In this window, you can also add new categories, vendors, employees, and payment methods without leaving the screen. In addition, you can create new expense records, delete existing expenses, view scanned receipts that have been attached to transactions, and perform many other record management tasks, all from one convenient location.